Imagine your financial life as a journey on a vast, open sea. You've planned your route, you know where you're going, but what happens when a sudden storm hits? A broken engine, an unexpected leak, a sudden rogue wave. This is where most people get into trouble. Without a life raft, that storm can sink your entire ship. This isn't just a metaphor, it's the most critical part of your financial life that most people overlook. Welcome to Finance Decoded. Today, we're building that life raft. We're talking about your emergency fund, the only financial safety net you'll ever need. We'll give you a clear, simple, and actionable guide to building your fund, protecting your future, and gaining the ultimate financial peace of mind. So, what exactly is an emergency fund? Put simply, it's a pool of money you set aside in a separate, easily accessible account to cover life's unexpected financial shocks. It's your airbag, your life vest, your home insurance policy for your finances. This fund is not for a new TV when your old one still works, and it's not for a spontaneous vacation. Its purpose is singular: to protect you from the unexpected. Think about a sudden job loss, an unplanned medical bill, a major home repair, or an emergency trip to see a sick family member. These are the kinds of events that can derail your financial plan, forcing you into high-interest debt and erasing months or even years of progress. Having a cushion of cash ready to deploy during these moments is what prevents a setback from turning into a disaster. The next question everyone asks is, how much do I need to save? While the perfect number varies from person to person, the most widely accepted and effective rule of thumb is to save 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. Now, let's be clear on what essential means. This is not your entire monthly budget. This is the absolute minimum you need to survive. Calculate your monthly costs for things like your rent or mortgage payment, food, utilities, transportation, and any minimum debt payments. That total number, multiplied by 3 and then 6, gives you your savings goal range. If your job is stable and your living situation is secure, 3 months might be a great starting point. If your job is less secure, you have dependents, or you are a single income household, aiming for 6 months or even more is a wise move. This fund isn't about getting rich, it's about being secure. Once you know your target, the next critical step is deciding where to keep this money. The golden rule is that this money must be safe and accessible. This is why we don't put emergency funds in the stock market. While investing is crucial for building long-term wealth, the stock market can be volatile, and you don't want your safety net to disappear right when you need it most. The best place for your emergency fund is a high-yield savings account at an online bank. These accounts offer a much higher interest rate than a traditional savings account, meaning your money works for you while it waits, without any risk. They are also FDIC insured, so your money is safe, and you can transfer it to your checking account quickly if an emergency arises. Now for the actionable plan. Let's make this feel less daunting. The key is to start small and be consistent. First, set up a dedicated savings account with a high-yield bank. This physical separation prevents you from accidentally spending the money. Second, set up an automated transfer. This is the most powerful tool you have. The day after you get paid, a set amount, whether it's $50 or $100, is automatically moved from your checking account to your emergency fund. You won't even have to think about it. Third, use windfalls to your advantage. Got a tax refund or a work bonus? Put a significant portion of that directly into your emergency fund to accelerate your progress. It's a team effort, and every little bit helps. Beyond the numbers, the most profound benefit of an emergency fund is the psychological peace of mind it provides. Knowing that you have a financial safety net gives you a sense of freedom you can't get from any investment. It allows you to take risks, to change jobs, or to simply sleep better at night knowing you are prepared for whatever life throws your way. It removes the paralyzing fear of the unknown and replaces it with a calm, confident sense of security. It's the first true step on the path to financial freedom. Don't let the fear of a potential emergency hold you back any longer. Start building your emergency fund today, even if it's just $5. Every dollar is a brick in your financial fortress. What's the first step you'll take to start your emergency fund? Let us know in the comments. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to Finance Decoded for more powerful strategies on your journey to financial freedom. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a decode.